Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to move for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to reach the Face ID and the passcode. Then we have to scroll down and click to turn on the passcode. And right now we can input the 6-digit passcode, but you can also enter for the options. So we can go for the alphanumeric with a custom numeric and also for 4 digits. So let's go for the 4. And right now let's type here very common 1, 2, 3 and 4. And yes, use it anyway. It's only example for you. So let's make it one more time. Right now we have to input the password to our Apple ID, so let me do this. After that you have to log in, of course. And right now we are able to lock the device and try to unlock. And as you can see right now we have to input our 4-digit code. And that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.